Welcome back to Right Style Cooking Channel. Today I'll be doing oxtails, brown stew oxtails. I'll be using lemon juice to clean the oxtail. In this container I have 6 pounds of oxtail. I pour on the lemon juice. I'll add also a little salt. A little salt. Got to make sure this oxtail is clean. Turn it like this. Have a good knife, good sharp knife, and all the fat, extra fat, like if you notice this fat on this meat, you cut the fat off. You can leave a little of the fat on, but make sure you cut most of it off. Let's have on a junk, so most of this go. This is all fat, you don't need this. Okay? So you wash your meat thoroughly. Some of this you don't need to touch. You don't have to cut off the fat off of some of this, but most of these you got to cut the fat off. Like these, this piece, and these. You don't have to cut no fat off of these. But these, like this, most of these you got to cut the fat off. So I'll just remove some of the fat to let you see. Put the oxtail flat down on a cutting board like this. Cut the fat off. So you see, I got all of this fat after one piece. Look at that fat. You remove all the fat from unnecessary fat, just leaving a little. You don't have to take it all, but take most off, or else you'll have a fatty pot of oxtail. Alright? You don't want that. You don't want a fatty pot of oxtail. So you wash your oxtail. Take off the unnecessary fat. So that's basically it. You clean your meat, remove extra fat, then you marinate. I'll get back to you with marinating. Okay, I'm back, and it's time to marinate the oxtail. Oxtail been washed, cut off most of the fat, and I'm gonna start adding my powdered seasoning. Little black pepper, salt to taste, some all-purpose seasoning, the garlic powder, little dried thyme leaves, some parsley flakes, okay, time for the wet seasoning, a little red wine vinegar, okay, red wine vinegar, some Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, some soy sauce or China sauce, okay, and I add a little molasses, to even out the seasoning. Okay, molasses. Now I'm gonna start adding the rest of the seasoning. Here we go. A nice Scotch bonnet pepper, some onions cut up, bell pepper chopped, scallion or green onions cut up, garlic. The garlic will be chopped, and fresh thyme. Okay. Other side. Okay, we rub this all together. Make sure you're rubbing the seasoning. Marinate. Rub it in properly in the oxtail. Lovely it looks. smells so good. Beautiful. This will be marinated for 24 hours. I'll see you when we're browning these pieces of oxtail. Welcome back to the Jamaican Oxtail cooking. I've removed all the marinade from the oxtail pieces. This is the marinade. I've removed them. This is the marinated oxtail. Looking good, right? So in that pot that I have on the stove, I'll be browning the oxtail. It's medium heat, and I put about 2 tablespoons cooking oil. This oxtail has been marinated for 24 hours. So this is the procedure. Brown it, and after finish browning, go towards the stewing section. How lovely it looks. So I'll get back to you when I finish browning the oxtail, and when I'm gonna start the stewing. This oxtail will be cooking for between 3.5 to 4 hours, because I'll not be putting it in a pressure pot. If I use a pressure pot, I'll pressure it for about 20 minutes. So see you then. Okay, I'm back. I've browned the pieces of oxtail. I'll show you in a second. These are the browned oxtail pieces. Put a tablespoon of oil in that new pot. It's a bigger pot. Can hold more water, because like I said, this will be taking 3.5 to 4 hours. So I'll be putting these in the pot now, and then I'll put the marinade. Then I have a pot with hot water. I'll pour hot water over this, and as it boils down, depends on how it's cooking, I'll always put hot water in the pot. I'll not be putting no cold water, because that will just, it's like driving a car and putting the car in a reverse gear. So I'll be putting hot water. That means my car will be always going forward. Okay, So here we go. Here's the marinade again. I'll be putting the marinade on now. Alright. I'll be stirring this in. When the marinade in, and I'll mix them up. Okay. Put the hot water in now. Hot water. Go. I'll be putting some pimento. Also called allspice. I'll get back to you when this is nearly done. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back and I'm doing some seasoning adjustment. So in this bowl I got some chopped up tomatoes, onions, scallion and a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be putting them in the pot and I'll be giving it a stir. Okay, here we go. How lovely it looks. I also added some pieces of Idaho potatoes that will help to thicken the stew. I'll see you when I take the oxtail off. Stay tuned. Okay, finally the oxtail is finished and it's looking beautiful on this plate. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.